Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna show you an
how to demolish an LS motor.
No, that's not it. We're gonna show you how to use this nice Michigan Motorsports front cover and rear cover alignment kit. It comes all nicely packaged and everything. But we're about to get to it and show you guys how to do it. Check out their sweet merch real quick. Their hats.
Yeah, they're
nice. But
real quick, for those of you that don't know much about these alignment tools, a lot of people, I mean, not saying that you can't get away with it, but they'll just slap it on and put that front and rear main seal in, and they'll get it to eye centered. But what those tools are actually made for is to represent as a harmonic balancer and such, so it actually gets it perfectly aligned, so there's no sort of leaking.
Which helps out the reliability a ton. Make sure everything's perfect, because you want to make sure everything's as close to inspect as you can get it. So we're about to get to it, guys, right now. Alright, so this kit really didn't come with instructions, but it's really straightforward, so we're going to get to it. Really, it's just get this oil pan alignment tool, because there are bolts that go through the oil pan to the front cover, so it's nice to have it. Yeah, you could use an oil pan.
Here, listen that one up. That one's getting stuck.
But this is
there we go.
A representation of an oil pan. That way you can get it nice, centered, everything sweetums. You know, Tony's over here with the seal and the front cover already. That's good. So Tony's gonna roughly put that on. I'm gonna grab this front one, put that Allen wrench down, and it's nice quality billet aluminum. Michigan Motorsports actually just came out with this product too, so pretty sweet. So we're about to get this going. So alright, so I had to take the crank bolt out real quick because it wouldn't fit through there, but Tony's got these roughly in there, and all it is put it in there, and you see how it's snugged up and got it centered. And now Tony's just gonna tighten those real quick. So
it basically just holds it in place. That way you can tighten all of these up, and when you put on that front main seal, it's gonna go on there dead on
straight. You wanna throw two through here real quick?
Yeah.
But yeah. Summit likes to send bolts in singular dime bag packaging. So tons of fun real quick. Once we get these through, I can stop holding it. It should be lined up once we get those in. But it's really way too simple.
Didn't come with instructions because it doesn't need any.
Because it's so simple. It's a really nice tool. Make sure everything's in spec. Really happy with this. Really glad that we got this thing. Shout out to those guys definitely at Michigan Motorsports.
Yeah, that was really cool to get this thing in here. I wish I had it when I put mine together, but
it is what it is.
Yeah.
Once you get that one tightened up, do you think it's good to take this out then?
We'll probably just put them all in just
real quick.
Yeah, extra safe.
Alright, so we got the new front main seal, and honestly, this can be used to install it too. So just press that right there.
I'll probably get it
started a little bit. Yeah. So Tony's just getting it started a little bit with a rubber mallet. And then originally we had it like that to center that. And now we're just gonna flip it around.
And make sure it goes on flush.
Yeah, so you can already see it goes around the crank right there. And then it should just be a couple whacks to get it seated properly. Well, it should be good.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one more on the bottom. Boom! Look at that.
And just like that.
Woo!
That front seal is in there nice. So it's not just a front cover alignment tool. You just flip it around, and then this seal works pretty well in it too. It's pretty nice to use that to get that front main seal in too.
You forgot how to speak, guys.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. But we're gonna get this part off now, because now that that's in and all of these are tightened down, we can take this part off, and then we're gonna have to put the oil pan on, set it on the ground, and do the rear from there. So we'll be back in a second. All right, so rear main right here. Got this rear cover on.
Rear main for, never mind.
Oh gosh. New rear main. We had to throw it up on here, but it's about to go in the Trailblazer anyway soon, so it doesn't matter if it's on the stand. Tony's getting that set up, getting these partially in. Getting that partially in, and then this just goes right here, centers it all up, makes this all real nice and easy, doesn't it?
It does. It does. Would you just look at that?
Dude, I am looking at that.
But just look at it even more.
Dude.
Can we just install it with those on there? Because they're just so nice and tight.
Yeah, man, I want more shinier parts on my motor. But, hey.
I just want my Z to run, man.
Just
Maybe
waiting on more parts for that.
Day.
You're just waiting on the Lingenfelter box for that. But, yeah, all of these are going in really easily. This tool is definitely a big help. Definitely recommend it to anybody. But after this, it's pretty cake. Dude, it's like a piñata right now. Tony's just getting the rest of the bolts, sending them through. Yeah, and that tool really just stays there by itself on the back. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely worth it.
And it's actually a pretty reasonably priced tool too, especially if you're an engine builder or you just help a lot of buddies out with LS builds or anything like that.
Or just have a shop nice to have in there.
Yeah, because this whole toolkit with everything, it's about $105, but you are able to just get those everything separate really equals out to the price of the whole kit. But just get the whole kit, because if you're gonna be doing that, you might as well go all the way, you know. But just getting these tightened up real quick, and then that should be it. So I'll leave that. Alright, so there's that, and then Tony's just going to hammer this home, because this rear main seal already kind of self-aligns, but this just gives it a nice large surface. So if Tony so Tony gets a rubber mallet and then just goes to town on it.
Yeah. You watch your fingers.
That should be good. And just like that, the rear main is all seated up nicely. Which, yeah, so this Michigan Motorsports tool, thoughts, opinions, hopes, dreams?
Hopes and dreams. Don't get me started on that one. Yeah, guys, definitely for sure worth it, like you guys seen. It's definitely a better peace of mind than just eyeballing it and putting it on.
And for the price that it is, you get a really quality tool anyway. But hey, other than that, guys, I'm gonna put a link down below for Michigan Motorsports website if you guys want to go check them out. Other than that, you could just like, subscribe, give us comments on this video if you feel like there's anything that Michigan Motorsports can do to improve it, which honestly, I don't think there's anything they really can do to improve this.
Straightforward tool.
Yeah, if you're building motors, I mean, it's common sense, really.
Oh,
definitely.
The hats, you guys peeped them? Go get some. They're
Yeah.
comfortable. They got air holes all over them. I can feel the breeze.
I'm just not the biggest hat guy. I like getting shirts from places like Summit, shout out. But other than that, nice little piece of tool. But hope you guys like the video. Like, subscribe, See you back here for the next video.